What about Elmo? Can you say Elmo? Yeah. Yeah, there he is. Yeah. Can you say Grandpa? Whoa. Can you say Grandpa? Samantha. Oh dear. Oh my goodness. Do you need help? Help. Say help. Come on. Here you go. Is he too big? Who is that? Is that Elmo? Is that Elmo? Yeah, it is. Yes, yes. Is that Elmo? Oh my. Somebody